Justice for Mohbad is becoming extreme. Like, I just do not want to give you a better explanation to what I'm going to say. I don't want to give a better one. I want you to discover it yourself. I want to make it as obscure as possible. Justice for Mohbad. It has come to a point where those who were skeptical, those who did not believe, those who thought it was a joke, those who felt that donating money is all that we are for on Justice for Mohbad, those who thought that sentiment and emotion is all that we are for on this journey of Justice for Mohbad, those that did not realize that even showing Mohbad's father empathy and maybe donating to Mohbad's father for his personal use, not to get justice, but for his personal use, to give him that comfort and peace of mind. Those who thought that's all we are here for, they have come to realize what time it is, that it is not going to be business as usual. Yes, it is okay to show empathy. It is okay to do all of these things. It is okay. It is fine. But when it comes to this, that we are dealing with, it is no longer a joke. All eyes are on fire. All eyes, the balls are red right now. They are red. And unfortunately, for those who thought that they had the ears of police officers and they can do and undo, such as what is she called? Karimo, yeah, Karimo, and of course the guy called Caro White, and many of them that infiltrated this Justice for Mohbad, pretending, acting like they are for justice, whilst they are not for justice. Everywhere don't scatter. Like right now, there is fire on the mountain. So Yomi Fabiyi has been outspoken. I will not lie to you. Yomi Fabiyi has done not just for the noise of it, like, oh, Yomi Fabiyi is pursuing the conversation they allegedly said Madura and one other Damola had with him. Oh, that's just what it is. Nothing more. No, it is more than that, because he was looking for an opening. The opening of the CCTV was supposed to give us light into the time frame and all that they had deposed at the inquest. But because some issues came up, some people felt Yomi Fabiyi is trying to hijack. He wants donation to come to him alone, but we want to give it to Baba. We want to use it for our own. We've been on it. They decided to post pictures and videos of the house of the man that claimed he had something to offer us on Justice for Mohbad. Something to show. The man even said, I saw. All these people are lying, oh. I saw. What I saw is not what these people are saying on national TV. What I saw is mind-blowing, excruciating. If you watch it, you'll be shocked. Well, you all know what happened at the end of the day. So now, with this one, everywhere don't scatter. It's going to start with a little bit of back and forth, but be patient, because the bombshell that followed after, you know, that's how it is. After the ruckus, then comes the calm. And after the calm, you know what happens next. Like and share, please. Tap on the subscribe button. Very important. Like and share. Tap on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Returning subscribers and those that have been here, thank you. To those that have tapped on the thanks button, the one with the love icon, the last sign in the middle of it. May God bless you. May God replenish your pockets. May your pockets never run dry. Let's get right into it.
ẹ̀dàpọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀yin mọ́ mi wá.
ẹ̀rù yín ti bà mí o, mo ti wá ń dá òtí yín gan.
ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan.
mọ́mí lè yẹ jẹ́ kí kò sọ ọkọ fún yín, ẹ jẹ́ kí kò sọ ọkọ fún yín. 1000% and one. Loyalty me is to this platform, and I'm still with this platform.
Olasheni, it's not about the platform. It's about justice for Mohbad. It's not about the platform.
I'm an adult.
Don't say because of a platform.
Yeah, I'm an adult. Wherever I go,
Mọ́mí jíbe.
ọba sọ̀rọ̀ kan.
Mọ́mí jíbe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní sùúrù.
Afẹ́kíbi tí bá lọ bá wọlé o, ẹja tètè sọ̀rọ̀ kan wá.
Àwọn èèyàn wà sálẹ̀ tó fẹ́ wọlé, àwọn èèyàn wà
ẹ jẹ́ á lọ sórí nǹkan mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sórí nǹkan mi.
Ẹni sùúrù ẹ jẹ́ kí n land ẹjọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n land. I defend this platform. Irọ́ ẹ má pa o, madam kọ́ńtẹ́ ẹ má pa o. Anywhere I defend this platform and I support this platform and nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tí Sexy Me sọ rìpọ́ọ̀tù tí Sexy Me fún wa nírọ̀lẹ́ that is what I'm working on, that is what I'm talking about. Sexy Me ló fún wa ní information yìí pé gbogbo nǹkan báyìí ni wọ́n ṣe mú àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ náà máa ṣe àwọn 15 tó kù. So if the source ebi tí kìíní ẹ bá dẹ̀ ti wá wípé wọ́n kó wọn ń bẹ̀ yẹn àwọn tá a fẹ́ kó náà yẹn tá à ń complain lérè pé wọn ò kó 15 people tó wà.
Mr. Láṣẹ ni ó yẹ ẹjẹ wá dá yín lò.
Ẹja dúró lè gbà tó máa ṣàwọn.
Ẹjẹ wá dá yín lò. Yọ̀mí mọ́mí jíbe ẹjọ́ máa ẹ má bínú mà torí Ọlọ́run.
Mo ní we are not interested in Yomi in tí mo so fàjà. Mo sọ pé kọjá kẹlòmí náà sọ̀rọ̀ tó fi ní ṣé mi ni moderator kémi respect.
Ẹ má bínú mà torí Ọlọ́run orí ìkúlẹ̀
làwọn. Tó bá sọ pé máa ṣàyàn 15 àwọn sàlẹ̀ gbàgbọ́ pé kò sí bàbá Mohbad níbẹ̀.
Thank you.
God bless you. Tó bá lọ máa ṣàyàn 15 wọ́n lọ ṣàwọn. Dandan kọ́ ni kí bàbá tẹ̀lé Bọ̀dáyọ̀mí. Àkọ́kọ́ èèyàn tó bá rìn ní Nàìjíríà yìí láì ní lọ́ọ̀yà ó ń ṣeré ni.
Mọ́mí Ọ̀yọ́ ẹjọ́ máa ẹjẹ́ àsọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan mà ẹjọ́.
I want to change the topic.
Dádì Ọláṣẹ́ni ẹjọ́ sà ẹ béèrè question. Yomi public ti dáwó fún Yomi.
Sorry Sexy Me.
Yomi bá gbé àwọn 20. Ọ̀gá mi ṣe fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ni mà.
Mọ́mí kan sí ẹ̀jọ̀
mo ní pé ká change the topic because Yomi
tàbá change panelist a lè continue pẹ̀lú topic wa lọ́mọ mọ́mí kan
ẹja change ẹ̀.
Kò ní ìdí mọ́mí kan fi ẹja continue pẹ̀lú topic a máa change panelist ni everybody tó bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ tó ká gbẹ́lòmíì wọlé ẹjọ́.
Kí lẹ wí ṣé n bọ́lẹ̀ ni wọ́n lè bọ́lẹ̀ náà mo ní platform tèmi.
No, ẹ̀yin kọ́ ló ń bá wí ẹ̀yin.
Mo bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ni mà.
Ẹ̀yin kọ́ mọ́ mi.
Kọ́ tíyàn sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́jẹ́ kíyàn sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ náà.
Bọ̀ èmi ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣé bí ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ látàárọ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ dákẹ́. Mo ti ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ kó tún di pé ẹ open mic yín. Tẹ́ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ mo máa mute fún yín ni mà.
Mo kàn sọ̀rọ̀ torí gbogbo àlà ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Mo ní nǹkan tí ọ̀gá sọ ni wọ́n ní ká change topic èmi wá dá wọn lóhùn pé ká change panelist pé tá a bá gbé àwọn ìlòmí wọlé pé olúkálùkù wá give opinion tó due to àwọn tó wà ń sàlẹ̀.
Mọ́mí kan sí nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ ní pé sọ̀rọ̀ Yomi ẹ jẹ́ ìsọ̀ kankan mi sọ̀rọ̀ Yomi mo like nǹkan tẹ́ sọ nípa anything tó bá gbé síwájú bàbá kó sign. Tẹ́ bá rántí àwọn these fools some fools calling Guresi out because ènìyàn ṣòro mọ̀ pé Guresi ló fi handcuff sóhun lọ́wọ́ ní stage tá a dé tó bá jẹ́ Mr. Guresi ni kò jẹ́ kí bàbá sign ibì kan tí ènìyàn ṣòro contract tó gbé fún bàbá níbi tá a délé ní àbámọ̀ ti kúrò ń bẹ̀ yes so nǹkan tẹ́mi fẹ́ hard nìyẹn kò tí ń tọ́kàn mi pa Yomi èmi ti sọ ti tèmi anybody kọ́ máa kọ́wọ́ bàbá Mohbad wọṣọ lọ ní tèmi so let me mute.
Okay, so ẹja change the topic. Ọ̀la ní corona inquest kí ni nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́la ṣé gbogbo àwọn mélòó náà máa invite àwọn mélòó náà ń bọ̀ number one a mọ̀ wípé Olúwasanmi bọ̀ ṣé Olúwasanmi yẹn nìkan náà máa tún interrogate lọ́la ń sìn ṣé kò yẹ kán interrogate àwọn bíi méjì because Olúwasanmi yẹn I'm very sure pé ó máa tẹ̀ ganu sí máìkì títí di the kingdom come ni because ìwé ẹ̀sùn ẹ̀ máa kún gidi because nǹkan tó lọ ṣe níbẹ̀ yóò máa ṣàlàyé tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé onískẹ́ẹ̀tì náà ló ràn wá pé kó máa bọ̀ nínú ilé ìyẹn Bella tẹ́ pé Bella ló rán níṣẹ́ wípé kó máa bọ̀ nínú ilé yẹn pé kó lọ perfect document tó yẹ kó perfect then kó change names kó change orúkọ kó change oríṣiríṣi then ó gbúdọ̀ ganu sí máìkì lọ́la òun ti ẹ̀dà ganan ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé sí bíbá kó lè rántí pé òun lọ sí pé a máa ní corona inquest na water corona inquest na water corona inquest no be water because ó máa lọ ganu sí máìkì lọ́la Olúwasanmi ó máa lọ ganu sí máìkì and the best ni pé kó múyàwó ẹ̀ dání kó bá ibomi dání because wàá sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ máa kún lọ́la Olúwasanmi you are going to corona inquest tomorrow nǹkan tó lọ ṣe nílé Mohbad wàá ṣàlàyé ẹ̀ honestly you will talk wàá ṣàlàyé nǹkan tó lọ ṣe nílé Mohbad tó sọ wípé irọ́ o tó rẹ̀ ti mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọn ò ní ṣiṣẹ́ because on a norms ó yẹ kí wọ́n kó gbogbo yín ni ó yẹ kán in fact ó yẹ kán kó gbogbo yín tí wọ́n bá nínú ilé yẹn ni but torí pé ti mọ̀ wípé ọlọ́pàá ti compromise ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé ó lẹ́ni tí Wùmí ti torí ẹ̀ pa Mohbad ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé àwọn olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ àwọn àgbàyà àwọn drug peddler tó wà ní Èkó yẹn bá àtẹ̀ mórúkọ wọn bọ̀ àmọ̀pá aláyé bàjẹ́ ni wọ́n àmọ́ wípé ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé wọ́n lẹ́nu bẹ̀ wípé kò sí nǹkan kan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé arrest na water ìtorí yẹn ló ṣe lórí láyà tó gba inú ilé Mohbad lọ nígbà tó kú because ó yẹ kán kó gboyin ní bọ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ fọwọ́ kàn yín ó wá ń rìn káàkiri ó tẹ̀ tún ní kí bàbá Mohbad kó mú 500 million kó wá san 500 million fún ìwọ tán bá fún ẹ ní 500 million báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ná ní ìgbésí ayé báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ná Olúwasanmi Fálàdé báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ná 500 million lórí burúkú wèrè wo ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ lọ́la tán bá bí ẹ dá kó sọ pé ó dákú tán bá ti bí ẹ because jẹ́ ń sọ fún ẹ wọ́n ní ìjà lọ ò ṣe é fojú di ìjà lọ kíní ó lè lọ gbá ṣòkòtò nídìí kíní kan jẹ́ ń sọ fún ẹ má rè pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣèbí corona inquest ni kò ṣáà ṣe court tí wọ́n bá pin ẹ down tán bá pin ẹ down ibẹ̀ láti máa rí lọ́ọ̀yà tó ń ká lòlò ibẹ̀ láti máa rí lọ́ọ̀yà tó ń ká lòlò nígbà tán bá pin ẹ fún ẹ dáadáa tán examine ẹ tán scroll truth out of your mouth as in wàá sọ̀rọ̀ you go talk Olúwasanmi I say you go talk wàá ganu sí mic olórí burúkú olóṣì ènìyàn kú tàìkú ẹ wá lọ fi tan print Mohbad tẹ́ ti pa Mohbad látijọ́ Monday ẹ wá lọ fi tan print ẹ fi tan bẹ ẹ fi print ìwé káàkiri are you not ashamed of yourself ṣojú òkì ń tì yín gan ni because in Nigeria anything can happen àtìgbà ẹ̀gán lẹ́ẹ̀kan ti tì ẹ́ mọ́lé ó yẹ kán tì ẹ́ mọ́lé ni ó yẹ kó gba kirikiri wá sí corona inquest ni aláyé bàjẹ́ wo kọ́ọ̀pù ẹ ó ti overfull kọ́ọ̀pù ẹ ti overfull Sam Larry ìwọ náà ń bọ̀ ìwọ náà máa ganu tẹ́ pé bóyá o máa wá lọ́la mo ṣàmọ̀ pé Sam Larry sì máa ganu kò sí ni nǹkan tó àṣírí tó wà láàrin Sam Larry àti Wùmí tí ò kì í fi ń lè dárúkọ Sam Larry yẹn àṣírí ẹ̀ sì máa tú a sì máa mọ̀ àṣírí ẹ̀ sì máa tú Sam Larry ọkàn ẹ̀ ò ní balẹ̀ ọkàn ẹ̀ ò ní balẹ̀ Naira Marley náà tó bá yẹ pé bóyá òun rán àwọn bọ́ìsì ẹ pé bóyá àwọn bọ́ìsì ẹ lára àwọn Adé West àti OGJPEG tí wọ́n lọ sínú ilé tán lọ help Wùmí because Sam Larry ò sínú ilé accepted Naira Marley ò sí ilé accepted but it is possible just a phone call ni ayé ti lu jára ń sìn just a phone call ni lágbájá Adé West OG ó yá lọ sínú ilé lọ bá Wùmí ẹjọ́ lọ ṣe ẹ lọ yanjú ẹ̀. Yes, Sam Larry àti Naira Marley ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀, una go talk, ẹ sí sínú ilé accepted, ṣùgbọ́n kò sí nǹkan ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ́, because it is possible for you kẹ́ ẹ pa àwọn boys. Olórí burúkú Sam Larry, mo rí fídíò ẹ̀ kan ní ọ̀sán yìí tó ní pé àwọn boys ẹ pa àwọn boys, ẹ kó àwọn boys dání, wọ́n lọ nà yẹ ẹ̀ pa, wọ́n lọ fi pankẹ́rẹ́ nà yẹ ẹ̀ pa, and which you did. Ẹ ti láwọn olórí burúkú boys káàkiri, ẹ ti ní wọn, ẹ ti ní àwọn hired killers yẹn, ẹ ti ní wọn lóríṣiríṣi. Ìzètí tẹ máa pé ìjọ kìíní àná kó tó di pé Mohbad kú, Mohbad olúwa ṣé o pé òun escape o, wọ́n fẹ́ wá pa òun mọ́lé, ó escape ńjọ́ yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Mohbad kó ráyè escape this time around. Ẹ fún ní baba ńlá kínní, ẹ fún ní àkámọ́ gidi lẹ́fun. Ò ní ṣe oríire Wùmí sẹ́ẹ̀. Olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ àti Sam Larry àti Naira Marley, ẹ máa lọ ganu sí Mike, ẹ káwọ́ pọ̀nyìn rojọ́, ẹ máa káwọ́ pọ̀nyìn rojọ́. Ọwọ́ yín ò mọ́, àti Naira Marley àti Sam Larry, ọwọ́ yín ò mọ́. Kí ni nǹkan tó dé tí Wùmí ò lè dárúkọ Sam Larry? That is the question. Kí ló dé tí ò lè dárúkọ Sam Larry? Orúkọ Sam Larry wúwo lẹ́nu ẹ̀ bíi kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Olúwaṣọ̀mí, gbogbo yín lẹ mọ̀ sí bí Mohbad ṣe kú. Nurse, ṣé o rí lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ̀yẹn? Òun náà yẹ kán pé kí nìdí tó fi wá? Nítorí wípé ńgbà tó dénú ilé tó rí wípé kíní yìí nǹkan tán pè ẹ́ fún ó ju ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ lọ, ó pe lọ́ọ̀yà kó wá bẹ̀. So àti lọ́ọ̀yà tiẹ̀ o àti ti olórí burúkú yìí o, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tẹ̀lé òkú káàkiri. Wọ́n lẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé òkú káàkiri. Ìyà ti jẹ yín, ìyà ó ti jẹ yín. Olúwaṣọ̀mí, sórí gbogbo ẹ̀kẹ́ yẹn tó ṣì dàbí bọ̀tí yẹn, gbogbo ẹ̀lúwo ẹ̀kẹ́ máa papò, gbogbo irun àgbẹ̀ yẹn máa funfun straight, ó máa funfun torí ọwọ́ ìyá máa bà ẹ́ wèrè.
Olè ẹlẹ́nu jẹ̀ràn, ẹlẹ́nu jàǹpà, olórí burúkú ìkà olòṣì, ìkà tí ò jẹ́ ṣe tiẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó wá lọ ilé onílé òun lọ́kọ̀ wọ́sẹ̀ ìkà lélẹ́yìí náà. Wọ́n kàn yan eléyìí fún Mohbad láti ba tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. Eléyìí ò ń ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ̀, kò ń ṣe àyànmọ́ lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ̀. Èyí olòṣì ẹlẹ́nu gẹ̀dẹ̀gbẹ̀ yìí tímú rẹ̀ ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ tí ń kí baálẹ̀ olórí burúkú olórí sún wọnú. Gbàdàgbàdàgì iwájú, tẹlẹkù ètè, gbàndùgbàndù mú òròmù ojú, olòṣì onírun lẹ́pọ̀n, olòṣì ìkà, abatẹnijẹ́, olórí burúkú, ẹ̀yin oníjẹkújẹ tẹ́ ẹ bá yé jẹ́ náà nì. Tọ́jẹ́ pé tó bá ti dáràn tán wọ́n kàn wá pè yín ni, wọ́n kàn fowó dí yín ní ẹnu, wọ́n á kàn sọ fún yín pé àwọn ò pín property fún yín sí méjì. Ẹ kàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣiṣẹ́ ṣe ni. Ó ti sì yí ṣe ọ̀gánu sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ tó wúwo. Olòṣì wọn ti rọ̀rọ̀ kúrọ̀ sí lẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ olórí ibú tílẹ̀ tútù mú tí wọn ò fún lágbo tẹ̀kẹ́ rẹ̀ èjò láti kéke. Ilẹ̀ tútù ló ṣe léyìí kéèṣe pọ́nlá ń bẹ lára rẹ̀. Ebe ẹrẹ́tẹ̀ rẹ̀ ti bó wẹ́wẹ́ bí ẹni tí lásà fífà ń dà láàmú. Olórí ibú ìkà ọ̀gánu òkè ó sunkún. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ á sọ fún ẹ pé kí lo ṣèyí fún. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ á sọ fún àwọn ẹbí á sọ fún ẹ pé ojú kòkòrò rẹ àwọn ò sọ pé yóò bẹ ẹ dẹ́ta yóò sì gbé ọ ṣubú. Ìwọ fẹ́ ṣubú nù ń tiẹ̀. Àtiwọ́ àtẹni ó Beyonce àtẹni ó mú ẹ mọ Mohbad, gbogbo yín lẹ́ẹ̀jọ ṣubú, gbogbo yín lẹ́ẹ̀jọ sunkún, gbogbo yín lẹ́ẹ̀jọ káwọ́ sẹ́yìn báyìí lẹ́ẹ̀wì tẹnu yín. Ẹ̀yin olòṣì yìí, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá ayé jẹ́ tẹ́rú èèyàn fi máa ń bá yàn. Olórí burúkú sẹ́yìn gan ò lè dá yàn pa. Tí property èèyàn bá pọ̀ lọ rẹ̀ ó náà lè pààyàn náà fún gbogbo tó ń ṣe yẹn. Ó wá lọ fọwọ́ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tẹ̀wé. Ó fẹ́ sọ fún apá gbogbo orin tí Mohbad ń kọ sílẹ̀ tó ń tò yẹn ìwọ ló ń bá kọ. Olòṣì ẹni ó lóyún sẹ̀kẹ́ tó pò kọ tí ò gbému tí ò túnú. Gbàndùgbàndù olòṣì ó náà sì ládìjọ bí iwájú rẹ̀ ti ń dọ́sàn ráhùn bí iwájú Abọ́sẹ̀dé. Olórí burúkú ó lè jẹ́ àbúrò ẹni Mohbad ó lè jẹ́ ọmọ ìyá ẹ àti ẹ̀ tí rí pọ́ ọmọ ìyá ń ṣera wọn ṣébi ìyá ti dúró ti kú ọmọ ẹ̀ tí ń pọ́ lọ́ ń ṣeun ṣé ń bẹ̀ ní láàní abínibí kan ń bẹ ebá láàánú èèyàn ló kù wọ́n ní àjùmọ̀bí ọ̀kan tàánú wọn lẹ́ni abínibí gan mọ́ ṣe ni níkà ó lè ṣe ni níbi ẹ̀yin olórí ibú yìí tẹ́ ń dẹ́rù ayé bá àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ ń jẹ́ kí wọ́n fura pé ìkà nìyí torí kò sẹ́ni tó máa sún mẹ́yìn mo tiẹ̀ wá rí kinní kan Sam Larry yẹn ń bẹ ní umuranti ẹ̀ olòsí aláyà gùdùgbẹ̀ irú ìrónìborùn irú kankan bí ọbẹ̀ ẹlá olórí burúkú gbogbo ìyẹn náà ń bẹ ní umra tó ṣàyàmọ̀ gidi tó sojú fẹ́ẹ̀tò tọ́pọ́n lórí tọ́pọ́n létí táàárẹ̀ ìyọ̀yún lẹ́nu tí wọn èrí yọ kú ònú ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀ gbogbo yín lẹ́ jẹ́wọ́ ń tẹ́ ẹ ṣe èmi ò sọ pé Sam Larry ò sínú ilé Mohbad sì sọ pé Naira Marley ò sí ń bẹ̀ torí ẹni tó bá rán èèyàn lọ ọbẹ̀ ọwọ́ rẹ̀ ń bẹ́ ń bẹ́nu èmi ò sì sọ pọ̀ báyìí ò sí ń bẹ̀ torí ẹni ó bá rán èèyàn lọ ọbẹ̀ ọwọ́ rẹ̀ wà ń bẹ́nu gbogbo yín lẹ lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ gbogbo yín lẹ́ jẹ́wọ́ ń tẹ́ ẹ ṣe pẹ̀lú rọrùn ní òfin òfin fìdí yín ní èèhàn ayé èyí tẹ́ ẹ ṣe tẹ́ ẹ rò pé ẹ ṣe láṣegbéhùn ó ti di àṣetì báyìí tálákàn ṣepo fún yín ẹ ti ṣèyí ó ti tìná ìyà ló kù tẹ́ ẹ jẹ ìyà jẹbọ ọmọ jẹ ẹ jẹ ìyà jẹbẹbí jẹ tí wọn ó dúró lẹ́yìn yín tí wọn ó wò yín pé ibi ẹ bọ́rọ̀ yín dé nì ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú ìkà gbogbo yìí ẹ̀yin olòṣì èèyàn olórí ibú tí wọn kó màtíríàsì tí ìyá Mohbad fi rán abẹ́ nẹ́ẹ̀tì tí wọn kó bo lórí ibú lọ́rùn tó fi pampéènì mu jọgbọlọjọgbọlọ ètè olòṣì tó kó kú mọ́ǹdì ẹranko ìkà kẹ́nimọ́ni abatẹnijẹ́ ẹni tá a fi lé sọ pé ọba ni wọlé tó sì sọlé ọ̀hún da oró gbogbo ogún ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ó sì bá bùtùlù rẹ̀ ẹ sì bá gbogbo nǹkan ní rẹ̀ jẹ́ torí wípé ìtẹ́yìn fẹ́ jẹ lẹ́nu nìkan lẹ́mọ̀ gbogbo ètò ẹ̀sì ti jẹun gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́pọ̀ ẹ pè ara yín ní kọ́nà ẹ̀ sì jọ máa sọkún pé ìyá wọn ìmí ìsìfẹ́ ká ṣe kinní yìí o olórí ibùsẹ̀ yìí gò tí lè máa fọ́ọ̀rẹ́ wù mí ń dì torí ogún tí ẹ sáfẹ́ bùtùlù property ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tí ẹ fẹ́ bàjẹ́ eléyìí tí lè máa fọ́ yín ń dì kọ́ máa fílẹ̀mì balẹ̀ ẹ jọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n ni Wùmí mọ́ sákì o gbogbo bí ọba lè sáde àti bọ̀dá rẹ̀ kébè bí tanra rẹ̀ ní ẹjọ́ tanra yín orí yín jọ burú yányán orí yín burú pàtàkì orí olòṣì òpònú afọ́fun wọn ń bẹ ìyá Mohbad ń bẹ torí ó ṣe fún ẹgbẹ́ yìí lẹ́jọ́ ní bísínẹ́sì papọ̀ ìwọ náà mẹ́sẹ̀gì torí pọ́n mẹ́sẹ̀gì ẹ wọ́n ń bẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ló dẹ̀ fi mú wọn kìí ṣe pé o sọ fún wa pé torí justice torí tó bá dúró ti justice ni ó sì àpọ́nlé pẹ̀lú fún bàbá lọ́ba ó mọ̀ wípé aláàánú èèyàn tó yẹ kó mi jí àánú èèyàn kọ́mọ kánlẹ̀ látojú fún bàbá yẹn béèyàn bá ti ń wò lójú pé ẹ dá bàbá yìí lóró olòṣì ẹbí bàbá òun lọ sọ di ẹni àrífín ọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bú bàbá ọmọ búlì wọn ọmọ sọ̀rọ̀ ńláńlá sínú ayé wọn ọmọ ṣàwímọ́ bí ètẹ́lẹ́nu gbòdògì ẹlẹ́nu jóná tẹ́ni amúgbó olòṣì tọpọlẹ́tí pélé ètè bàbá bá ń bọ̀rùn olórí burúkú ẹranko láwùjọ èèyàn ìwọ tó yẹ yìí ìwọ ni wọ́n mọ Tinubu kíní kan pè ọ́ kíní kan pè ọ́ àná kásíẹ̀ tó pè ọ́ àtiwọ́ tí ẹ ń pè káà yẹ yín ta ní jẹ́nu sí ọwọ́ gbogbo yín Ọlọ́run ọkọ̀ yìí yọkọ̀ sí ọwọ́ yín ẹ̀yin ẹni bí yìí ẹ wo àwímọ́ tí tẹ́ni ń wí pẹ̀lú bàbá yẹn náà tí èèyàn bá jẹ́ ìkà tó sì jẹ́ òpònú sẹ́mi pé gbogbo wa kí orí wa pé ọ̀pọ̀ ẹlòmíì lórí ẹ̀ ò pé ọpọlọ ẹlòmíì ti dùbúlẹ̀ bí ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lẹ́lòmíì ọmọ rò pé bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí bí tẹ́ni ṣe ń ṣe àwé mọ́ bàbá ọ̀ràn máa ń sùkú ọmọ tí ẹbí mi bí fún kìnìkan sọ́pì ẹ̀ pé ọwọ́ bá wọn tolé àwọn ni àbí ọmọ wọn rí nìkan wọ́n ti tọrọ owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pọ́n fẹ́ tọ́ àwọn ọmọ àwọn ṣé bílọ́níà ló bí wọn ni olórí ibú oníwájú kùsàn ní tọ́jẹ́ pé ń dókó jẹ ni kó tó ka secondary school tọ́ka olòṣìwọ́ lọ́wọ́ àbúlì bàbá káfíńtà pé ò ṣeré kà á yẹyìn ẹ̀ ní soríire ẹ̀yin ẹranko èèyàn láwùjọ yìí ẹ̀yin onídọ̀tí ẹ̀yin oníyẹ̀yẹ́ ẹ̀yin èkísà ẹ̀yin inú lẹ́yìn játijàti pọ̀ ẹ̀yin rédèrèdè ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́gbin ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́sìn ẹ̀yin àkọyà èèyàn ẹ̀yin obìnrin tí ò ṣeé ṣẹlẹ̀ tọ́jẹ́ pọ̀ tó bá fi yín ṣẹlẹ̀ bà tí wọ́n jẹ́ ni sọ wọ́n dolòṣì ni ìwọ lórí burúkú yìí gbògìlà ẹnu bọ́bá tí amúgbó rẹ̀ yọ ẹnu àjò náà kan gan mo kúrò lórí rẹ̀ Abọ́sẹ̀dé àtàbúrò rẹ̀ kò ní yẹyin ẹ̀ ní gbádùn Sádé ò ní lálàáfíà àjíǹde ara rí ò ní pé àfijọ́ tó o bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í sọ òdodo torí wọn náà mọ kú tó pa Mohbad àfi tí o bá fi owó ránṣẹ́ sí orí ló kù àfi tí o bá jẹ ata Mohbad lára Dàrósà ló kù àfi tó bá jẹ́ pé ńjọ́ tẹ́ ti ń rí Dàrósà mọ́ Mohbad lẹ ti ń dúpẹ́ lórí ayé rẹ̀ tó ti mú kúrò lágbo ọlọ́kadà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó ti pè sọ́dọ̀ pé ìwọ ẹbí mi wàá mọ pòtẹ́ẹ̀tì mi tí ó mọ̀ pé Dàrósà òun ni ó já òun òhò ní ọ̀tàn lẹ́mìí ni ó dùn ó níbi wọ́n ti pa òun ẹ̀ ní gbádùn ẹ̀ ní lálàáfíà Sádé oníwájú kásán olòṣì ẹlẹ́nu jóná olòṣì àwọn obìnrin tí ò wúlò tí ò yẹ yìí àwọn owó gan ni ẹ ń pàdé irú yín tí ẹ láwọn ọ̀fẹ́ yín ẹ̀yin ìran kíran yìí ẹ̀yin ìran ọ̀sẹ́ ẹ̀yin ìran ìyà ẹ̀yin ìkà ẹ̀yin kẹ́nimọ́nì ẹ̀yin aláburú ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní èrò gidi pẹ̀lú ẹni tí bá ń soríire tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀ ń bọ́ ọmọ yẹn jẹ ẹ̀ ń bá Mohbad mu ẹ̀ sì ń retí ijọ́ tí yóò ní ìdààmú tẹ́ fi yọ ìdààmú wá dé bọ́ ọmọ yìí ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ pin ẹ̀ sì fi yọ ẹni kò ní rí ìdájọ́ òdodo gbogbo yín lẹ ti jókòó lómi gbóná ìyá Mohbad gan wà nù 15 àbólórí burúkú ni yín ni kò fẹ́ dáa fún yín nínú 15 Kàrímọ́ ń bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ nínú 15 Jùmọ̀kẹ́ ń bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ nínú 15 Dàrósà wà nínú 15 Làdúrà wà nínú 15 ìní kí lorúkọ rẹ̀ wà Bella Smoda wà nù wọn ìdítọ̀ náà fi lè ṣe takuntakun lórí ikú ọ̀rẹ́ ó mọ̀ sí gbogbo wọn ní ọlọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ gbogbo wọn náà lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ gbogbo wọn náà lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ bí Mohbad ṣe dòkú gbogbo wọn náà lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ kò ní yẹ yín kò ní ragbá fún yín Abọ́sẹ̀dé ó ń yẹ̀rì èpè ó ti fi yẹ̀rì kógun wọnú ayé ọmọ rẹ̀ olórí burúkú olòṣì gbátó ìdí olòṣì eléegun lóbò ìkà ẹni bèrè ẹni lálàáfíà olórí burúkú ó gbọ́ owó tó bá bẹ bàbá Mohbad pé kọ́ lọ bá bọ̀dá Yọ̀mí ò ní gbádùn ò ní lálàáfíà àjíǹde ara rẹ̀ ò ní jẹ́ fọ́ọ̀kì.
Láti èmi ìlọ ìṣẹ̀dá kí ìṣẹ̀dá tó bá ṣerú ẹ̀ tó bá tún ṣerú ẹ̀ tó wá gbé fóònù tó gbé fóònù gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá kí ìṣẹ̀dá tó bá rí níbì kankan tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe àtakò mi tó ní kó lé mi bọ́lẹ̀ tó ní kó já mi wálẹ̀ tó ní kó má gbọ́ tẹnu mi láti èmi ìlọ ìṣẹ̀dá kí ìṣẹ̀dá tó bá ṣerú ẹ̀ tó bá tún ṣerú ẹ̀ tó wá gbé fóònù tó gbé fóònù àbí tó wá ọ̀nà kọ̀nà láti sọ fáwọn ẹni yẹn pé kán lé mi ń bẹ̀ lákàáyé o ògùn onírì ọkọ mi.
ògùn èwo lọkọ rẹ.
olórí burúkú ò fákìmù mọ̀gún ló tún fẹ́ǹsì.
sọlórí kọ̀ọ̀kan náà lògùn ọkọ rí olórí kọ̀ọ̀kan náà lògùn.
pìtìpìtì ayé.
ìṣẹ̀dákíṣẹ̀dá tó bá rí níbì kankan tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe àtakò mi tó ní kó lé mi bọ́lẹ̀ tó ní kó já mi wálẹ̀ tó ní kó má gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀.
a máa wọnú ẹ jáde ni a máa lé ẹ pa a máa lé ẹ pa àti justice ìkà àti justice kò síbi tó lè wọ̀ olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ pítipítì olórí burúkú ò fà.
That was a whole lot. Hula ballo, this and that. So what is this thing that is going on? Well, let me break it down a little bit. You see, there are people, some people who are Mohbad's father's loyalists. They are loyal to Mohbad's father in all era, whatever it is. They believe they have the right to call out Mohbad's father alone, like Mohbad's father belongs to them. Some of them have lambasted Mohbad's father. They have said a lot of things to Mohbad's father, and they eventually apologized to him. And they continue to help him. And they said, we are all human beings. And to her, to her is human. So let's leave it at that. That's it. No problem. Now, Yomi Fabiyi came into this. He did not come gun blazing. He came like a man ready to hit the road. He was ready to hit the road, ready to hit it. He did hit the road by going to Mohbad's house. He showed us footages and he made us see the distance between, many people did not even take time. Of course, majority live in the diaspora, they live abroad. And those that live in Nigeria do not even have the time. Those that live in Lagos do not even have the time to go. And those that even have the time to go, or they live in that vicinity, they do not want to put their faces or their voices to anything because they don't know what we are dealing with. Majority don't know how huge this is. I'm also, why would they want to put their necks out for somebody that, they don't know? So they just stayed behind the scene, doing whatever it is that they want to do. So somehow, after the move of Yomi Fabiyi, he did that on a particular platform. That platform, as I speak, that person hosting that platform is not in any conversation with Mohbad's father. In fact, they have what they call beef. I mean, they have issues between them. Issues, big time. They have issues between them. So somehow, it is what it is. They got to where they want to get to on that matter. And the issue of accountability came into it. And the man is like, no, sorry, you guys did not pay money to me directly. I say you guys should take money on my behalf since you have suggested it. I didn't come asking for money. But now that you guys say you want to help me to push further on this justice for Mohbad, it's okay. Whatever I need, I will request from you guys. That is what he said, and that is his approach. Don't donate money to my account. Whatever I need, I will tell you. Give me 200,000. I need it. Give me this and that. So they say, come and give account of all this money we've been giving to you. Now, if there was no performance, I repeat, if there was no performance, if there was nothing happening, like it was just collecting money and people cannot see the results of it, it would have been a different case. I mean, you will have the right to like, hey, Oga, we give you money to do this and that. You didn't even go there. You didn't do this. You didn't do that. How dare you? And all of that. But at least they saw that he was active and he was able to give certain kind of answers and results. But something came up again. They said, oh, they had put money into food. They put money into that. He didn't use this for this. Money was wasted. You were supposed to gather here. He said he's going abroad. Some people are after his life. And most of the people saying these things were not on ground anyway. They live abroad. So they claim that Mr. Yomi Fabiyi is deceptive and is becoming unruly. And at that point, Yomi Fabiyi was gaining traction. He was gaining traction slowly on social media. Not like nobody knows him. That's not what I'm saying. After all, he has been doing his thing, acting and all of that. So he came into it and somehow they lost friendship. It became a huge, big noise. They tagged him as hungry money grabber, failed director or lazy actor. All of those things were said about him. And everything continued anyway. It continued like that. He kept on pushing, doing his own thing. He kept on pushing, doing his own thing. Well, against all odds, pressure here and there, he lacked funds. He needed money. People were not giving him what he wanted, but he kept on pushing. Could he have tried to defraud members of the public? Possibly. Why not? It is possible. I'm not saying he will, but I mean, as a human being, it's possible that he might want to not really defraud, but I mean, you know what I mean? Okay, let's proceed. The thing is this, he came back to his own platform and he decided to speak and do what he needed to do. Now, within the same period of CCTV, we are going to get the CCTV. We need more money. We need funds so we can press and push this thing. We need mobilization. We need this and that. And difficulties back and forth. He could not get access to the CCTV. Videos of the house of the man that was supposed to produce it was released. They said, why didn't you tell us? He said, oh, I gave it to Mohbad's father. Mohbad's father didn't do the right thing. This person did this and that. You know the story, how it all went. Oh, he did that. He didn't do it well. This is not how he's supposed to act. How dare you, Yomi Fabiyi? How dare you that? How dare you that? A lot of how dare you, how dare you, how dare you came up and scattered everything. It scattered everything. Everything scatter. we could not get the promised CCTV footages. And it is clear that he cannot get the CCTV directly. Not like he can't lie, but let's say legally, he can't get the CCTV directly. And the man who has the CCTV said he needed something. Now, they said, on which name are we going to give, write the request to get the CCTV? Yomi Fabi could not give the name. Now, because he couldn't give the name, they felt like, oh, this Yomi Fabi, you are just playing with members of the public. You have nothing. And the man is like, I don't want to give the detail. And that's where it becomes problem. I don't want to give the details. So it means Yomi Fabi, you know, this thing is like a coin with two sides. So if I can give you guys detail, you guys will have to go through me. You guys will have to go through me to get what you want. Why don't you give me the money? And now it's going to be difficult because Yomi Fabi is not attached to Mohbad's justice directly. So how could he go to the court to request if Mohbad's father or Mohbad's father's lawyer join Yomi Fabi on this journey? Through them, he gets it. He will then maybe, you know, he said, no, I'm not going to do it myself. The bailiff, the court is going to serve with a police or something. They are the one that will take it to whoever needs to have whatever it is. It's not for me. It's not my prerogative to do that. I'm not. Okay. It became a complex issue. And slowly, it drifted into chaos. Serious one. Trouble everywhere. Yam, pepper, scatter, everybody having their opinion here and there. Some said this, some said that. You know, a lot of the talk. I mean, well, it happened that Yomi Fabi kept on this journey. He didn't stop. He kept on and on against all odds. Finally, as luck, or let's say God, decided to make one of them, or greed, let me put it that way. Greed forced one of them to send message, conversation through Adura's phone, Mohbad's younger brother, directly to Yomi whilst he was live on the internet, live on social media. And eventually, the conversation was sealed. We got a 3-second video that you all have heard about. And the 3-second video became a serious issue. That 3-second video became hell. Slowly, it deteriorated into much more. Like, it became serious. Like, really serious. It became so crazy. And efforts to get this full tape, full view, complete tape became like, it became like climbing a slippery rock. Well, finally, here we are. Those that are attached to that matter, they are presently, as I'm speaking, sleeping in a tight corner in one of the cells. Yeah, they are sleeping there right now as I speak. Because Yomi Fabi did not relent. He kept on pushing. He didn't take no for an answer. Yeah. That's the truth of it. It became you know, it became what it is. So I don't know what your thoughts are as regards this that you have heard. At the end of the day, you heard the opinion of some saying, look, we are for justice for Mohbad. We are not for Baba Mohbad here or there. Yeah. We are for justice, not for Iya Mohbad or Auntie Mohbad. We are for justice. That is the spirit. And that is all that matters. That is what we should all focus upon. That is what we all should be talking about. Yes, having empathy, showing empathy is not a crime. But if it will derail justice, it should be removed totally. What are your thoughts? Drop your comments. See you in the next update.